Use the trapezium rule with 5 ordinates to find an approximate value for the integral of 1 over the square root of 5 minus x squared between the values of 1 and 2. Show your working and give your answer correct to 4 decimal places. So here's the summary of the question then. We need a trapezium rule from the formula booklet, so I've pasted it in here. So now let's get h first of all. The ordinates, it said 5 ordinates, didn't it? Which I should have put in. So n will be 4. So I'm going to put that in straight away in the formula that I'm writing down here. So this is y4. This will be 3, won't it? N minus 1. So let's put that in as well. We only need to go up to 3. y3. And let's just drag this bracket a bit closer. Like so. Okay, now we need to do h, so let's get that. b minus a is 2 minus 1 over n, which is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1 over 4. So that's a quarter. H is a quarter then. And in the formula for the trapezium rule, we've got h over 2, so that will be an eighth. So let's put that down as well. Okay, so we're ready to put in the ordinate values now, so let's get the x ordinates first. We start from 1 and go up to 2, and there's 5 ordinates. So we start from 1, and we go up by quarters. Up to 2, isn't it? So now we need the y values, of course, the y ordinates. So let's work them out then. The first value we put in is 1 into the formula. Put that in here. 1 over 5 minus 1 squared is 4. Root 4 is 2. 1 over 2 is a half. And put in 2, that's another easy value to put in. 2 squared is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Root 1 is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. So we only need to work out these 3 in between. We want it to 4 dp, so I'm going to write down the first 6 decimals. So it's this to the minus a half, isn't it? So it's 5 minus, the first value is 1.25 squared, close bracket, and it's power minus a half, isn't it? So let's do power, negative 0.5. 539, 359, 539, 359, 539, 359. Next one, we put in 1.5, so let's just toggle back then and change that to a 1.5. 603,022, 0.603,022, and then the y3, put in 1.75 here, and we get 718421. 0.718421. So the formula now, which I'm going to summarize here, but it's good practice, of course, to get the marks to write out the constituent values in place here. But I'm just going to add them up. So it's this one plus this one. So it's 1/8. I'm just going to tap it in the calculator as I say. 1/8 times this plus this here, and then 2 times these 3 things added together, isn't it? So let's put that in then. So it's 1 divided by 8 times bracket, the first and the last, which is 1.5, plus 2 times the 3 values in between, 0.539359, 539, 359 plus 603,022, 0.603,022 plus 0.718421. Close that bracket, close the bracket for the whole expression, and we get 6527 to 4 dp, 0.6527. And that was the 4 decimal places.